Ever found yourself staring at your Raiz Invest app, wondering, okay, this is great, but what if I need to actually talk to someone? You're not alone. We love the automation, the roundups, the effortless investment growth, but sometimes you need a human touch, right? Maybe you've got a question about your account, a technical glitch, or just want to confirm something specific. Navigating the customer support maze can feel like trying to find a needle in a haystack, especially with purely digital platforms. So, how do you actually contact Raiz Invest? Let's break it down. First things first, Raiz Invest, like many modern fintech companies, emphasizes digital communication. This means their primary channels are designed for efficiency and speed. However, that doesn't mean they're inaccessible. The most direct and frequently used method is through their in-app help center. This is your first port of call. Open your Raiz app, navigate to the settings or help section, and you'll find a wealth of information. They've got FAQs covering everything from account setup to investment strategies. If you can't find your answer there, the in-app support also allows you to submit a direct message to their team. Think of it like sending an email, but directly through the app. This method is efficient because it's linked to your account, allowing their support team to quickly access your information and provide tailored assistance. Be prepared to provide as much detail as possible in your message, including screenshots if you're experiencing a technical issue. The clearer you are, the faster they can help. Now, what if you prefer a more traditional approach? While Raiz doesn't offer a direct phone line for general inquiries, they do have email support. You can reach them at email address removed. This is a good option for more complex issues that might require detailed explanations or attachments. When using email, remember to include your Raiz account details and a clear subject line to ensure your query is directed to the right team. Be patient, as email responses can take a little longer than in-app messages. However, it's a reliable way to document your communication and keep a record of your interactions. Another valuable resource is their online help center on the Raiz website. It's a comprehensive knowledge base with articles and guides on various aspects of using Raiz. You can search for specific topics or browse through categories to find answers to common questions. This is particularly useful for new users who are still getting familiar with the platform. Social media is also a growing avenue for customer support, though it's not the primary channel for Raiz. While you might not get detailed account-specific help, you can often find general information and updates on their social media pages. Platforms like Twitter and Facebook can be useful for staying informed about any announcements or changes. It's important to note that Raiz Invest prioritizes security. Therefore, they won't ask for sensitive information like your password or PIN over email or social media. Always be cautious of unsolicited messages and verify the source of any communication claiming to be from Raiz. In essence, contacting Raiz Invest is about utilizing their digital support infrastructure. Start with the in-app help center, move to email for more detailed inquiries, and leverage their online resources. While a direct phone line isn't available, their digital channels are designed to provide efficient and effective support. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.